Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your English speaking skills. By yourself. Yes. By yourself. No partner. No teacher. No classroom. Because the truth is, you don't need other people to start speaking English. You just need the right method. So today, I will show you simple and effective steps that you can do at home. Let's begin. Step 1. Start speaking, even if you're alone. The first step is very simple. Start speaking. Don't wait until you feel ready. Don't wait until your grammar is perfect. Just start. Talk to yourself. For example, I am sitting. I am eating. I am watching a video. Very simple. At first, it will feel awkward. That's normal. But if you do this every day, your mouth will get used to speaking English. Step 2. Listen every day. Before you become a good speaker, you need to become a good listener. So every day, listen to English. You can watch YouTube videos. You can listen to conversations. Even if you don't understand everything, that's okay. Just listen. Your ears are learning. Step 3. Read simple English. Next step. Read. But don't read difficult books. Start with simple English. Short stories. Easy sentences. When you read every day, you will learn new words naturally. And those words will help you speak better. Step 4. Use the shadowing technique. Now this is very powerful. It's called shadowing. Here's how it works. You listen to a native speaker, and you repeat what they say. Same words, same pronunciation. For example, play a video. Pause it. Then repeat. Do this again and again. This will improve your pronunciation and speaking speed. Step 5. This step will change your speaking. Start thinking in English. Not big sentences. Just simple thoughts. I am tired. I need water. What should I do? If you think in English, you will speak faster and more naturally. Step 6. Use your phone to learn. Your phone is a powerful tool. Use it. Watch English videos. Use learning apps. Listen to English every day. Don't just use your phone for entertainment. Use it to improve your English. Step 7. Practice every day, even 10 minutes. You don't need long hours. You just need consistency. Even 10 minutes a day is enough. Speak, listen, read. Do something every day. Small progress is still progress. Important reminder. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. If you wait to be perfect, you will never start. So speak now. Practice now. Final message. So remember, you can improve your English speaking skills, even if you are alone. Start small. Practice daily. Be consistent. And most importantly, don't stop. Because if you keep going, you will improve. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me for more simple English lessons like this.